Hi, I'm Joel, and I'm going to show you how to join a boarding group for Rise of the Resistance. Now, if you're going to do this for real, you have to actually be in the park during one of the times that the boarding groups are distributed, which currently is at 10 a.m., which is when Hollywood Studios opens, 1 p.m., and 4 p.m. It's about 6:30 here in Indiana, so obviously I'm not going to really be joining a boarding group, but I can show you how most of the process works. Now, the first thing you have to do is find the virtual queues section of the Disney World app. And the easiest way to do that is to tap the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner, also called a hamburger menu. And then you tap virtual queues. Now, if we were actually in a virtual queue already, it would list that here, but we're not. So we're going to tap join virtual queue. And we see, of course, that Rise of the Resistance is the only attraction that virtual queues are offered for. On this screen, it's not totally obvious what we have to do. Do I just sit here and wait? Is there supposed to be a button? What you have to do is just keep refreshing this screen until the virtual queue actually opens. One way to do that is to tap the back button and then hit join virtual queue again, and that will refresh it. And you can just keep doing that until it actually opens. The other method is to do a pull down refresh, which is where you tap and hold on the center of the screen, pull down and let go, and just keep doing that over and over. You see it says checking groups, so you know it's actually refreshing. And eventually, when the boarding group queue opens, this will happen. The join button, blue join button appears, and you'll tap that, and then it'll take you to the screen where it should ask you to select your party. It just gave me an error this time, so I'm going to go back and try it again. And there it actually showed my party, and you would select whoever is in the park with you and going to go on the ride with you. And so then you hit join, and it gives me an error because, well, first of all, the park isn't even open, but the virtual queue isn't open yet. I don't even have park tickets. For all I know, it's alerting the FBI, and the authorities will be here soon to take me away.